Meet the brand new Logitech G512 X, a gaming keyboard packed with so many features that you might just want to sit down for this. Let's start with the unboxing. The G512 X comes in two form factors, a 98% and 75% layout, but both share the same accessories in the box. You get your keyboard, a keycap and switch remover that also act as feet, extra keycaps, a USB-C to A cable, and user documentation. But wait, we've got more for you. On the top, there's a compartment with an acrylic door. Open it, and you'll be greeted by 9 additional analog switches. Turn the keyboard around, and at the back there are 5 SAP O-rings tucked in a small compartment. These additional accessories offer you a whole new level of personalization. Connecting the G512X is simple. Connect the USB-C end of the cable to your keyboard and the USB-A end to your computer, and that's it. You're ready to play. The G512X 98 and 75 share the same features. First, we have Dual Swap, a feature that's enabled by the new TMR analog sensors. This allows players to use compatible analog and mechanical switches in any of the 39 hybrid switch beds. These are hot swappable too. Once swapped, you can use the scanning function of the G512X to discover and activate the newly swapped switches. The G512X is built to deliver a true 8K report rate, providing unmatched speed for the ultimate in low latency gaming. The dual customizable dials add an immense amount of control and functionality, and are set to brightness and volume as default. The provided SAP O-rings allow users to have 2 different actuation points, meaning you can have 2 different functions in a single key. The added pressure will enable you to stop your switch after the first actuation point, or to press harder to reach the second actuation point. The included keyboard and switch pullers double as keyboard feet, giving it an 8-degree tilt. The brand new light bar is designed to light up your setup and is customizable via Logitech G Hub. The inbuilt switch and SAP O-ring storage compartments make sure you won't misplace them anywhere. On the G512X, analog features like actuation point, rapid trigger, multi-point action, and key priority allow users to customize their keyboard exactly the way they like to improve their gaming experience. You can customize these features both via G Hub or through keyboard shortcuts. With dual swap technology, true 8K report rate, SAP O-rings, dual programmable dials, analog features, a bold new light bar, inbuilt storage, and in-depth software and hardware customization, the Logitech G512X is designed to take your gaming experience to the next level while offering you immense levels of personalization. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, link in the description. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you next time.